In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the open graph image in Webflow. If you're looking to update how your site appears when shared on social media, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step so you can enhance your website's appearance on various platforms effortlessly. First, you'll want to open up your project in Webflow. Make sure you're logged into your account and find the project that you are currently working on or wish to update. Once you're inside the project, the next step is to navigate to the Pages panel. You can easily find this on the left-hand side of your Webflow dashboard. This is essentially where all your page settings and adjustments happen, so it's a good area to familiarize yourself with if you're handling a lot of modifications regularly. Now, hover over the specific page for which you want to change the open graph image. Once you've located your desired page, look for a small gear icon, which represents page settings. It will appear as you hover over the page name. Clicking this icon will open up a new window where you'll see a variety of settings pertaining to that particular page. In this new window, you'll want to scroll down gently until you find the Open Graph Settings section. This area is crucial for controlling how your page is presented on social media platforms. Once you locate the Open Graph settings, continue to scroll a bit more until you find a subsection labeled Open Graph Image. This is the specific place where you can make your changes. If there's already an image set, you'll see it displayed here. To remove it, simply click on the trash can icon next to the image. This will delete the current open graph image, leaving room for a new one. Deleting the existing image ensures that there's no confusion about which image will appear when your link is shared online. With the old image removed, you're ready to upload your new one. Click on Select Image to choose an image from your existing database, or click Add URL if you're sourcing the image from somewhere else online. Remember, for the best quality, your Open Graph image should ideally be sized at 1200 by 630 pixels. This sizing is optimal for ensuring your image looks crisp and clear across all social media platforms. Finally, don't forget this last crucial step. Save your changes and publish your site. Saving will lock in your changes, and publishing will ensure your updates go live. All set. Now, when your page is shared on social media, it will showcase the new image you selected, making it eye-catching and aligned with your branding. Thank you for tuning in today, and we hope this guide makes the process simpler for you.